Alright, let's talk stocks you should consider buying today. I've got my eyes on 4 tickers making waves right now: Centene Corporation, Molina Healthcare, Deckers Outdoor, and Elevance Health. First up, Centene, ticker CNC. They're a giant in managed healthcare, and with more people relying on government-backed plans, their revenue just keeps stacking up. If you like stable, defensive plays, this one's hard to ignore. Now, Molina Healthcare, MOH, is in a similar space, but they're nimble. Analysts love their cost controls and growth in Medicaid contracts. In a choppy market, MOH is like that steady ship you want to be on. Deckers Outdoor Deck is all about premium footwear. Think UGG and Hoka. Their margins are enviable, and with consumers still spending on high-quality brands, Deckers keeps outperforming. If you want exposure to the retail side, this is a solid contender. Finally, Elevance Health, ELV, formerly Anthem. Another heavyweight in health insurance, they're expanding rapidly and investing in tech to streamline healthcare. As the sector gets more competitive, ELV is positioning itself for long-term wins. So whether you want healthcare stability or a retail growth story, these 4 tickers are worth a serious look today. But remember, don't just follow the hype. Dig into the numbers, set your strategy, and invest smart. Alright, that's a wrap. What stocks are on your radar right now? Drop a comment below. I'm always curious what you're watching.